Today is third day, that is the third video of the lesson the Narayanpur incident. And I think today I will complete this. Up to yesterday, means in earlier 2 days, we came to read that how young youngsters, that is Yuva, were participating eagerly in the Quit India movement in support of the Mahatma Gandhi, how the local villagers were also participating, including male, female, child, young, adult, each and everyone, old, etc. And yesterday particularly we came to read that how Mohan have brought a photocopy machine to duplicate the documents, and when he hid that machine in his puja room. Meanwhile, a police officer, SSI, came at the door of the Mohan. And when they opened the door, he interrogated, and somebody told Miss the child Babu, who had opened the door to meet with the police officer, he told to mother that that police officer wanted to meet with that lady, means with the mother of the Mohan and Babu, etc. Now, further, page number 81. To me, mother, means when Babu informed that mother, police officer want to meet with you, then mother got surprised and said, to me, मुझसे मिलना चाहता है? The hand relaxed. Then she felt some comfort because earlier her hands were shivering due to fever, trembling due to fear, because they had hidden a photocopy machine in their home. So due to the fear to be caught by the police, mother was trembling, and particularly hands of the mother. But when she came to know that police officer was there to meet with her only, then she felt some comfort. Manju drew her own hand back and rubbed it softly. I have not come to trouble you, a strange voice said. इंस्पेक्टर का कह रहे, पर घबरा क्यों रही हो? आदमी से ही आदमी मिलता है, मैं तुम्हें परेशान करने नहीं आया हूँ, कोई काम है तुमसे. योर हस्बैंड वॉज माई फ्रेंड इन स्कूल, आई एम अ फ्रेंड. वो कहा कि तुम्हारा पति जो है स्कूल में मेरा दोस्त रहा है, और अभी भी हम दोस्त हैं. ठीक है, वह नहीं है, एक्सपायर कर गए हैं तो क्या, लेकिन फिलहाल हम तो हैं अपनी तरफ से. अम्मा got up quickly and went out. Manju waited a moment and followed her. Having heard the word of friendship, that lady stood up, got up, and then she was followed by the Manju also up to the police inspector. The man was, he really a police officer, was saying to Amma. अम्मा पूछें कि क्या वो सच में पुलिस ऑफिसर है? यस, वी वेयर इन स्कूल टुगेदर. तब वो बतला रहे हैं कि हाँ हाँ मैम, हम सच में आपके हस्बैंड और हम फ्रेंड रहे हैं स्कूल में, दोस्त रहे हैं हम लोग स्कूल में. प्लीज पाटिल साहेब, अम्मा सर. तब अम्मा रिक्वेस्टेड बिफोर पाटिल by addressing him as Patel, rather impatiently, means being some troublesome. Tell me why you are here, and asked, interrogated that why that person, the police officer, was there, कि वह वहां किस लिए थे. अम्मा ने पूछा. It's like this. Suddenly the man was brisk and business-like. His glance swept over all of them, taking them all in shrewdly. There is going to be a search in your house. Then, when Amma asked that why was he there, police officer replied, thus, in just to meet you and inform you that after some days or in some moment or days, your whole house is going to be in searched or interrogated. Means तुम्हारे घर की अब तलाशी होने वाली है कुछ ही समय में. That police officer told them, Amma asked when. Most probably tonight. And officer told them that the same night that house was going to be searched. I heard the Sahab talking. And for the police officer found that he had heard talking to the Sahabs, जो सीनियर ऑफिसर्स हैं, उनसे बात करते हुए कहा कि उन्हें बात करते हुए मैंने सुना है कि आपके घर की तलाशी होने वाली है. They were speaking of a cyclo-stealing machine. CYCLOSTYLI. The cyclo-stealing means होता है photocopy, जो xerox की machine होती है, that is called cyclo-stealing machine. It seems you people are making copies of the Mahatma's speech. They say you have people hiding here as well. Officer informed that Sipahi of the police, that senior officers were talking that in their house there was the machine of cyclo-stealing, and they were also talking that you all, means the Mohan and his family including Amma also, used to copy the speeches of Mahatma Gandhi and distribute them, and also you all hide here the revolutionaries. क्रांतिकारियों को आप लोग अपने यहाँ शरण देते हो. यह सब चीजें साहब लोग बातें कर रहे थे, इसलिए आपके घर की आज रात तलाशी होने वाली है. This information was given by police officer to the Amma and the whole family of the Mohan. Then Mohan scoffed. SCOFFED. Scoffed means coughed, खांसा. तभी मोहन खांसा कहा. But you have the cyclo-stealing machine. The officer बोला कि लेकिन क्या वास्तव में तुम्हारे यहाँ cyclo-stealing, that is photocopy करने वाली मशीन है? No, Mohan said instantly. Instantly means quickly, hurriedly. Mohan replied simply, no sir, we don't have such machine. Cyclo-stealing. Have you, the man asked Amma. उस पुलिस ऑफिसर ने अम्मा से दोबारा पूछा कि क्या तुम्हारे पास है, मदर्स. No, Mohan repeated angrily. Then being angry means गुस्से से, Mohan repeated no. If once I said no, then no. Why are you repeating again and again? You are wasting your time spying on us. Spy, SPY, spy means होता है जासूसी करना. So Mohan is saying that Mr. Police Officer, you are spying on us in your post. So don't. So when officer asked to mother repeatedly, then Mohan got angry and said, sir, if we don't have, then don't have. Why are you asking and interrogating same question again and again? No, Mohan repeated angrily, you are wasting your time spying on us. Tell me. The man ignored Mohan and spoke to Amma. Again, that police officer avoided to Mohan and asked to Amma whether you have really in cyclo-stealing machine. Yes, Amma replied simply, and Amma replied that yes sir, we have. And Mohan made an angry hissing sound. Where is it? Or Mohan got angry having heard the affirmative voice from the side of Amma and said, Amma, where is that machine? Amma, you have gone. Amma ने कहा कि तुम जानते हो. Inside, Manju's heart began beating wildly. Means the heart, a pulsate of the heart started to throb very wildly, very fastly of the Manju. Why was Amma giving them away? Give it to me. I shall get it out of the way. You can have it when it's safe. Mohan burst out again. Amma, what are you doing? How can you trust a policeman? Mohan started to chide to restrict Amma that Amma, why are you believing on a policeman? Policeman is policeman, whether he is friend or enemy. Don't rely on him. Don't hand over that cyclo-stealing machine to him. मत दो, हम लोग को पकड़ लेगा. पुलिस वाला तो पुलिस वाला ही होता है. The man touched Mohan on the shoulder. Mohan, you are still very young. There are many things you don't understand. I am policeman, yes, but your father was and still is my friend. When Mohan started to get angry on his Amma, That policeman came close to the Mohan, touched his shoulder, and consoled him by said that Mohan, you are still very young. That is, you are still very teenage. You don't have mature understanding to understand anything reasonably. And it is true that I am policeman, but believe on me, being policeman, first of all, I am friend of your father. So don't get extra smart. And this is my country as much as it is yours. Now give it to me quickly. They may come any moment. And further he told that the senior officers might come any time to search the whole house of the Mohan. So that police officer suggested to hand over him the cyclostealing. Then Amma opened the door of the puja room and said, Suman. Amma opened the door, showed the cyclostealing machine and addressed to Suman to hand over. Suman emerged, wiping her face with her sari, looking anxiously at them. Come in, Amma beckoned to the man, it's here. Suman opened the door. Now, due to fever, she was weeping inside of the room. But when Amma ordered, she had to open the door of the puja ghar, where the machine was kept. Amma carried that policeman to the puja room and said that, look sir, here is that machine, cyclostealing machine, and you can carry it. Suman stared at Amma and the man in bewilderment. bewilderment. bewilderment means होता है, that is emotion, that is the भावनात्मक रूप से घबराई हुई. So Suman was puzzled. Sometimes she was looking at Amma, sometimes she was looking at that man, policeman. Amma smiled at her and said, you have got to get away, Suman. Take away all that material, Mohan will you. Amma tried to console anyhow. Mohan stared at Amma, at Suman, and finally at Patil, who stared steadily back at Mohan. Mohan also, after consolation from the side of Amma, Mohan looked seriously at everyone, including Patil and everyone who were there present. Okay, Amma, Mohan said and ducked into the puja room. Ducked into ka matlab entered into the puja room. He lugged the machine out and gave it to Patil. Lugged means brought. Carried with great effort or difficulty, he brought. So Mohan brought that machine because that was of heavy weight. Do you have a largest bag with you? The man asked. आदमी ने पूछा कि तुम्हारे पास कोई बड़ा बैग वगैरह भी है इसे रखने का कि बस ऐसे ही टांग के ले जाऊंगा. मंजू अम्मा began but बाबू had already got it. अम्मा कही कि मंजू लाओ, तब तक बाबू देखी कि बाबू ऑलरेडी लेकर उस बैग को आ गया है. That's fine, the man said. तब पुलिस वाले ने कहा that's fine, बहुत बढ़िया. And then they were gone, Patil, Mohan and Suman. The house seemed unbelievably quiet after the intense activity. Intense means fast, tibr, serious. After taking the machine, Patil also went with the machine. Amma, Mohan, everybody went away and house became completely quiet, एकदम silent, strange, queer हो गई, शांति हो गई. Let's go back to bed, Amma suggested that now they should sleep. Mohan came back shortly. Manju asked him anxiously, she is all right. Go to bed, Manju, Amma said. Bed with the police about to come, but nevertheless she did drop off and came out of her sleep with a jerk to hear a loud knock at the door. After realizing complete comfort, Amma and the whole family went to sleep on bed, and as they started to sleep, suddenly they heard a loud knock at their door. अपने दरवाजे पर उन्हें जोर की खटखटाहट और धड़धड़ाहट सुनाई दी. जब वो सोने वाले थे, it was repeated and knocking was going on continuously. Manju sat up in sudden fright. Fright means terrible, fear. एकदम भयावह डर, एकदम कांप जाना. इतनी तेज की धड़धड़ाहट सुन के मंजू तो डर गई. अम्मा patted her comfortingly. P-A-T-T, पैट मीन्स होता है थपथपाना, जैसे पीठ लोग थपथपाते हैं. पैटेड पास्ट फॉर्म, पैटेड. So due to extreme fear, when Amma realized that Manju was in extreme fear, fretting, then she patted and tried to console and comfort, Who is it? She asked loudly. Amma पूछी, who are you? Is knocking on the door? Open the door, a strange voice ordered, and there was one order to open the door. Mohan, see who is it? Amma said. Amma बोली, बेटा मोहन देखो who was on the door. It was like going through something all over again. अब ऐसा मालूम पड़ा था कि दोबारा कुछ न कुछ जा रहा है, होने वाला है. But this time they knew for sure it was not a friend standing out there. But now they were knowing very well that at the time there was no friend. Instead of that was now the enemy, the police soldier, to arrest them. No need for Mohan to announce. Mohan said that no, Amma, there is no need to open the door. Amma, it's the police. तब बोला कि अम्मा ये तो पुलिस है, अब खोलने की जरूरत नहीं है. And in this way your chapter completes. Shashi Deshpande is writer of this lesson, and this is the South Indian writer Shashi Deshpande, and she had written lot of stories, short stories and essays, long essays, and theme of all his writings are the social problem, Indian social conditions, etc. So in the whole story we came to read that how our Quit India movement was launched by Mahatma Gandhi, and how each and everyone, kid, young, adult, old, male, female, everybody took partition in it, how it was launched, how it was dealt, how lot of was suffered by them, and how they had to face the lot of problems. In this way I think this lesson is today completing. If you have any problem